This is Joey. Every morning, Joey goes through the same routine of checking his emails and enjoying a cup of coffee. Little does he know this morning will be unlike any other. Joey is about to fall for an online phishing scam, which could have easily been prevented just by taking a few extra precautions. The first thing Joey should have done was question the legitimacy of the email. Even though it might have looked okay at first glance, a closer inspection would have easily proved the email to be a scam. Insisting that the situation is urgent is usually an attempt to get you to act before thinking. Take some time to check out the email domain. Does it seem legitimate? Next, read through the email carefully. Oftentimes there are spelling and grammatical errors. Avoid clicking on links and downloading attachments. Joey took the bait, and he was redirected to a fake website where he ended up giving away enough personal information for the scammers to gain access to his money and other online accounts. Staying protected from phishing scams is as easy as remembering these 3 things. Be wary of false urgency claims, identify possible errors hidden within the text of the email, avoid clicking on links, and if you're still unsure, contact the business directly to confirm it was indeed them who sent out the email. When Joey realized his mistake the next day, it was too late. The process to reverse the damage of the scammers would cost him even more time and money. Don't end up like Joey. Learn more about how to stay safe from all sorts of scams by visiting or calling the Better Business Bureau.